Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to learn about if and else statements. So basically a if statement and is used to execute a code only when a certain condition is met, and if it doesn't meet the condition it will not execute the code. So this can be very helpful in many cases. So for example, let's create a variable public int I, let's just name it I equals to 5, or let's just make it 0. So for an if statement to work, we can we can add a if and then create curly brackets, and then in the curly brackets we need to write our statement or our condition. So I want here that I, if I is greater than 7, then it should print our debug.log. So let's say if I greater than and equal to 7. So basically this operator is greater is for greater than, and this is equal to. So it will tell the computers if I is greater than 7, or that means 8, or is 7 or equals to 7 means if it's 7 or greater than 7, then it should run the code. And now we have to create these curly brackets. So the code inside these curly brackets will only run if I, if value is greater or equals to 7. So let's just send a debug.log first condition is met. Okay, so now let it compile, and now we should see the changes. Now initially I is 5. If I hit play, there shouldn't be any debug.log. If I make it 2, nothing happens. And now if I make it 7, as you can see, it has started sending debug.logs. And if I make it 5 again, it stopped sending the debug.logs, means the code in here isn't executing right now. If I make it 0, it doesn't execute. And if I make it, let's say 30, it has started executing again. Now what if we need to add more statements? And so if I want to add a condition if I is less than 7, so I can add an else statement. So it will check if this condition is true. If this condition isn't true, then it will automatically execute this else statement, else code. So let's say second condition is met, means I here I will be less than 7. So this code will only execute if I is less than 7, and the above one here will execute if I is greater than 7 or equals to, greater than or equals to 7. So now let's see, let it compile, and now if we hit play again, we should see the second condition being executed. Let's see. As you can see, the second condition is being executed. Now if I make it 8, the first condition is being executed. Now what if I want to add more conditions? I can just simply create more if statements, but the another way to do is this: if else if I equals to 0, debug.log I is 0. So first it will check this condition if I is greater than or equals to 7. If this condition is met, then it will execute this code. Else, if this condition isn't met, means the first condition, this condition isn't true, then it will check if this else if condition is met, means I equals to 0, and if this is also not met, then it will automatically execute this code. And we can add as many else if statements as we want. So this is just pretty simple. Now if we go in here, let the code compile, make I equals to 0, and now check. Let's check it out. As you can see, I equals to 0 means our the second condition is being executed. So that's it for if and else statements. If you like that video, please like the channel, like the video, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next tutorial.